How much direct deposit do I need for Robinhood Banking benefits? To unlock the full suite of banking benefits, high-yield interest earnings, and top-tier features with Robinhood, you need to set up a qualifying direct deposit of at least $1,000 each calendar month. Robinhood Banking requires an active Robinhood Gold membership as your baseline. While holding a Gold membership gives you access to the platform, meeting that $1,000 monthly direct deposit threshold is what activates your checking account interest, waives specific out-of-network ATM fees, provides lower cash delivery costs, and places you into the standard or premier relationship tiers depending on your overall assets. If your direct deposit falls below $1,000 in any given month, you will miss out on earning interest on your checking account for that specific period. However, your savings account can still continue to earn its high APY as long as you maintain your active annual Robinhood Gold subscription. Furthermore, Robinhood provides a grace period for new users, waiving the direct deposit requirement for your very first month plus the 2 months immediately following it if your initial deposits are under the threshold. To maximize your returns, avoid unnecessary banking fees, and secure all premier account perks, maintaining that consistent $1,000 monthly deposit stream is essential. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kinda check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.